Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Because most of you are still new here and I haven't had much of a social media following before starting this, I'm gonna let you know guys that I am a massive big fan of Killstar. Lately they had a sale, 20% off, sold worldwide, and of course during me I could not resist. I had to buy something. So I forgot to tell you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like Gothic, alternative clothing, DIY, or I don't know, you like pink and black, or you find me cute, or you have nothing to do in your life, or you're just looking at this video, hit the subscribe button. Please support this channel. I wanted to do this video as soon as possible because I'm dying. I'm dying to open the Killstar box. It arrived maybe around 2-3 days after I ordered it. It was very quick and I'm super excited to open it. I could not resist. Anyways, let's open this. Okay, so let's see what we have. I got 5 items, so show you guys the Killstar packaging. With Killstar, I usually get these nice black Killstar bags that I always keep. But because I bought shoes this time, they arrived in a box, and I think there's a really nice big box here. I'm dying. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. So let me show you guys what I got. So the first item, it's called Detention Relaxed. I can't speak. Detention Relaxed top. I am in love with this print, with this design. As soon as the collection came out, I was dying to buy it and I wanted to buy the whole collection, but I can't just spend all of my money in Killstar clothes, and I was waiting for a sale because usually every few months there's a sale going on, so I was waiting for that. And I just noticed there's the Gemini Siamese skull tag. Oh my god. I say Gemini because I have the Gemini t-shirt Killstar with the Gemini design, and it's the Siamese twins. And it says we are the weirdos. I'm a bit weirdo. Oh my god, I love this. I'll show you guys as well, give you a clip of how it fits me and how I would style it. But yeah, so this is a relaxed top from a relaxed t-shirt kind of thing from Killstar in 2X, and I love this. I am such a fan of anime designs. And second one is a dress called Amaya skater dress, and it's in XL, and it's really cute dress. It has the sailor color and the moon there, and you know, it has this flip at the back. It really reminds me of like a Gothic Sailor Moon thing, and I grew up watching Sailor Moon. It's my all-time favorite cartoon, or anime, not cartoon, and I'm obsessed with the Sailor Moon aesthetic. So seeing it in black, it's love. Just letting you know guys with the sizing that I am a 20 UK, like 2022 UK or 4850 European, but it does change depending on the brand. Usually Killstar dresses in XL, they do fit me, especially the stretchy ones. But I noticed when I bought a skirt from Killstar that was in 2XL, that one didn't fit me because it wasn't really stretchy. It wasn't stretchy fabric. So I actually ordered one in 3XL. I want to see how that one fits. But oh my god, I'm in love with this dress. The thing I love about Killstar is that their clothes, they're very simple, but then they have like these extra details to them, and it so fits my style. Usually my style isn't really out there when it has all these laces and buckles and pins and crazy bits and too much layering and stuff like that. Mine is a bit more simple, but then you'll have all these extra motifs that I love. So the third one is the skirt. I can't wait. It was a really nice skirt. This is a really nice skirt. This skirt is called Sixx. Sorry, clearly can't read today. It's called Sixx Musky Skirt in 3XL. Here we go. This is it. And it has like these really long bit points. It looks like it's like a circle skirt, but it's cut on a square. If you guys know what I mean, probably you don't know. I'm a seamstress, so these things, I always like to notice these things. And oh my god, the buckle is so cool. I don't know exactly what this symbol is. I need to look that up. And what I love about Killstar is what's on the details of their tags as well. Like, look at that tag. So cool. I love it. This one, these leggings, they're called Saiph? How do you pronounce that? Guys, tell me. It's Saiph Burnout leggings. It's a velvet leggings. It has a really nice pattern. It's so nice. I love wearing leggings. I live in leggings and shirts and dresses. I think they will fit. I mean, look, my thinking was, because I'm a seamstress, it's ideal to get a bigger size, and then if they don't fit, I can always take them in. I mean, usually when I'm spending this much money on clothes, I'd rather not tweak them, but because it's an order, and it might not, like the price of me sending it back and then get another pair might not, you know, money-wise might not be ideal. I think they are a little bit too big, but because my leggings aren't, maybe. You guys see the pattern. It's really pretty. So pretty. And I think it's a little bit see-through. I think I can see you here. Can you see me? Hello. But leggings, usually I wear long tops. And if you wear like black panties, it wouldn't be a problem. Okay, so the star of the show. I'm so excited about this. Oh, I hope they fit. Are my shoes. Let me get the box. I don't want to open it yet. So here's box, Killstar box. It is a bit damaged at the side, but no biggie. It's fine. I mean, I did spend a lot of money on it, but it's fine. I'm not gonna complain about that. Like, I'm not gonna return them just because I have a slightly damaged Killstar box. But you can guess I got shoes in here. So let's see. Drum roll. So pretty. Look at it. Killstar pattern in here. What convinced me to buy shoes, I've been thinking of buying Killstar shoes for a while now, but I was afraid of how they fit and they were a bit pricey. But I was looking at other Killstar hauls, and I saw this woman showing the box that the shoes came in, and to have a box as detailed as this and as pretty as this, it does cost a bit of money. So it's like when you're buying the shoes, you're also buying the box and you're buying the whole experience. So I mean, I'm not justifying, like, they are a bit pricey, but I will check the quality after and see how long they last. If they do quite last and they're quite comfortable, I wouldn't mind the price. If it's something that's really comfortable and I can wear it every day, or I can wear it quite often, I don't mind spending that much money on shoes. There they are. What are these called? Gaia Boots. They're Gaia Boots. I really love them. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Ooh. See, I can definitely see myself wearing like a scarf and maybe like a maxi dress or something. I don't own a lot of maxi dresses. Maybe I'll do some lookbooks and show you what clothes I have. I've been traveling for a while, so I haven't really pampered myself with really pretty things. It's only recently, and before I traveled, I have these things. So, and shoes was a big problem. Like, I didn't wear, before I used to wear a lot of high heels, cheap ones, and now I barely wear any. So, and I wanted something really nice to wear when I go out, and I think this would be ideal because it's not really, it doesn't really have that much of a heel, but it's platforms and they look awesome. What size did I get them in? Doesn't say. Is there the size on here is not obvious. These were used. These shoes were used. I mean, like, I'm sure like someone returned them or them. And, oh, well, what size are they? Who do you know is the size? They're size UK 6, European 39. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. As I said, this is my first video haul. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like kind of go with the flow with things. So anyways, support this new channel by hitting the thumbs up button of this video and hit the subscribe button. And I see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.